Hey guys, so to turn on your HP pen, it's super simple. So first, you're gonna remove the pen from its packaging, turn the cap to remove it, and then set the cap aside. Insert the battery in the pen with the positive end of the battery facing the empty pen body and the negative facing you. Place the cap on the pen and then turn the cap to secure the place. Then you just want to attach a linear and pen loop. And then you just want to turn over your computer and then locate the screw reserved for the lanyard. Remove the screw from the computer, place empty loop of the screw, and then secure the screw to the notebook. Like here you see. And you're just gonna have it and then you're just gonna use it. But that's it, is that you don't have to do anything, right? Like even when I was like researching it right here, it should just work. There's no setup required for it.